So si Rat, magkakaroon nito ng ma-undervalue ka, you will be either ikaw ay not good enough or hindi good enough yung mga makukuha mo na mga deals, okay? So, yun yung mga mangyayari sa inyo. Is it too bad now that you know that, di mag-re-strategize ka? If you are a rat being undervalued, most probably it's about time mag-isip ka. Kung hindi ka naman pala valuable sa kumpanya mo o sa asawa mo, don't you think you have to love yourself more? Ganyan lang po, no? Do not overthink about one issue. Ang nakikita nyo ay posibleng problema. But it doesn't end there. Meron kang pwedeng gawin. It's good na alam mo yan. So if you're undervalued, di ba? Kung hindi ka nila kayang i-value mo sarili mo. Eh kung hindi pala sila believe sa'yo, maghanap ka ng iba na bibilib sa'yo. Ganun lang po yun. As painful as it may be, you still have to apply it. Tandaan niyo po, medicine is a bitter pill to swallow. But if it's gonna heal you, you might as well take it. So mabuti lang na alam niyo yan. Okay?